Just when you thought it was safe to head back to the oil fields, Landman is back for more. I'm talking more money, more mayhem, and more of that brutal Texas sun. Season 3 is shaping up to be the most intense chapter yet, and I have got all the leaked details and theories. You need to stay ahead of the game. If you are a fan of high stakes drama and roughneck reality, hit that like button because we are starting right now. Season 3 of Landman has been officially confirmed by Paramount Plus, and based on the explosive events of the season 2 finale, the show is moving in a completely new direction. Following his firing from MTEX, Tommy Norris has launched his own firm, CTT Oil Exploration and Cattle (LCC). This shifts the show from Tommy working for a corporate giant to a high-stakes family startup. Expect a David versus Goliath battle. MTEX is currently in a state of chaos after Tommy's departure and the resignation of Nathan. Season 3 will likely focus on Tommy attempting to poach talent and resources from his former employer, while Cammy Miller fights to keep MTEX from collapsing or being sold off. Tommy's new venture is funded by a $44 million investment from Galino. Galino has ties to the cartel, meaning season 3 will likely delve deeper into the dangerous dirty money side of the oil business, putting the Norris family in the crosshairs of more than just corporate rivals. Paramount Plus renewed the series in December 2025 following record-breaking viewership. Filming is rumored to begin in spring 2026, which places the likely premiere of season 3 in November 2026, maintaining the show's annual release pattern. The Norris family might be down, but if there is one thing we know about Tommy, it is that he is never out. With City Oil officially hitting the dirt and a war with MTEX on the horizon, season 3 is going to be absolute carnage. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Tommy's deal with Galino is going to be his biggest win or his final mistake? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single update on the road of the season 3 premiere. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.